Hi, good afternoon. I'm Frank Girardot. I'm the editor of the Pasadena Star-News, and I've been covering a preliminary hearing for Christian Karl Gerhartsreiter. He's accused in the bludgeoning death of John Sohus back in 1985. So today we heard evidence, in the prosecution case at least, from some San Marino residents, Robert and Betty Brown. Robert and Betty befriended Gerhartsreiter when they knew him as Christopher Chichester. And just before he left town, he gathered up a bunch of items, went over to the Browns' house, tried to sell them. One of those items was an Oriental rug. And the Oriental rug had a quarter-sized blood stain on it. Mrs. Brown saw that. She confronted Chichester, said, "Hey Chris, I don't think I'm going to buy this. It's got a blood stain on it." Chris rolled up the rug, took it away. There was another witness today too, kind of interesting, the man who bought John Sohus' pickup truck in Greenwich, Connecticut. So he buys the pickup truck, he attempts to sell it. I'm sorry, he doesn't attempt to sell it, he attempts to register it in his name. And when he does so, it sends, signals to detectives looking for John and Linda Sohus. He eventually realizes he can't register the truck, and he gets rid of it at a train station between Greenwich and New York City. A couple days later, detectives show up at his house. They ask him about the truck and about the man that he bought it from. Well, he's a little evasive. He just got this truck, he's dumped it, he's not going to tell him much. When they leave, he calls his friend Chris, who he knows is Christopher Crow, and he says, "Hey Chris, I just had some detectives out here looking for you in a missing persons murder case." Chris says, "Ah, interesting, gotta go, bye." That was the last time he ever heard from him. So we'll have another update tomorrow. Talk to you later.